Wait, what is this for? Is it like an event today? Or they do this every day?
This is the Minky part.
But they do this every day?
Yeah. This guy.
Literally?
Oh, yeah, this is staff.
So it's not just like an event?
No event. It's just here always.
Damn. Can I take a picture? This thing almost hit me. We're in a Mankey Wonderland. They do this every day. Wow. That's crazy. What the f? It's so fat. Is this the Mankey?
Wait, let me see.
Fat Mankey, small eye Mankey. That's the Mankey, I think.
I think so.
You sure that's the same family? Look at his eyes. He's adopted.
Stop the cap.
BTK. Is this me? Is this me? Maybe you can't see. The vision is so little. I'm gonna sell this picture. $10. Members only. Members only. Cucumber. What is this for?
This is for official content.
Oh.
This is for
Why he has better camera? How? What's going on? I don't know where to look. She's staring in my soul. Hey! 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 Get him out! Hell yeah! Thank you. Yes! I'm a Mankey now. She's pretty though. Climbing. So you have to be less than 75 kilo. I'm not sure. We'll risk it. Yo, we should go up there and jump.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Yeah, jump? She said yeah. So this is usually for kids, huh? It's gonna be hard. I'm gonna enjoy the climb. Good? Yeah? Oh. This is not climbing. Bro, this is hard. Get No, don't jump. Do I jump? Actually jump? Whoa! Holy shit.
He knows he'll lose.
Oh yeah? You want the race? Alright, do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
No! I fucked up! I fumbled! No! I fumbled! I lost to fried chicken. Negative aura. I got nerfed because of this makeup. That's kind of crazy. Zayn's not allowed to do anything because he's too big. This is why you gotta lose weight. Yo, what is this? Hey! Headshot, boy! Growing up in China must be fun. You have so many entertainment. Unless you're on 75 kilo. It was awkward, huh? She stare at you.
And she's like, she grabs you, she's like,
don't move. Hey. Nice. Thank you so much. Oh, what are you wearing today?
你是哪个英雄?
Holy.
我是妲己.
Daji?
Yeah.
Why is Daji so tall? Do you have to wear like this the whole day?
对的.
Oh, must be hard. Can you tell her I play Daji? I have like 1,000 games with Daji.
北美职业选手.
Thank you.
真的吗？
谢谢. What the f is it doing there, bro? Is that Pikachu on a panda costume, bro? What is this? Wait, this is good. Wait, it's not actual cherry, is it?
It's apricot.
Dried. Oh, my bad.
Angela.
Angela. Oh, okay. She's Angela. Why is she not Daji?
I need a beer.
I knew it. I knew you were going to say
Oh.
that. Hoon, I swear to God. Brother.
Hey, don't show it.
Brother. No.
Don't show it.
The world needs to needs to know.
Fuck, now I need to get a new one.
Now you need to get a new one?
I cannot let the world see how criminal I am.
The other way, bro.
Wait, why does it taste like lemon?
Yo,
No
this
way,
one.
fruit matcha, bro.
Yo, the
Oh, hold on.
Like-
What is this? Is
See
it
the fruit
lemonade?
he had a fruit in it, but I don't know how to say in English.
First of all, it's not matcha.
Because you don't eat it very often. That's why.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Bro. No! Control.
How many should we get? Do you want a whole box? You want
The
a
whole
whole
box is 6?
Yeah.
I'll pull it apart.
Bro, go. Is yours not hot anymore?
Ooh, hot.
That's actually spicy. She's coming, turn around. Bro. Bro. I still prefer Daji. Yeah. Yeah, you're in the spot, my boy. Sit over there in the back. Go with Carlos. Carlos, why are you there? Sit in the back. Oh, he's learning. China changed him. Take the thing, bro.
T.
谢谢. It's a snack. Just eat it. You gotta wait for the hot water. You wanna see him having some asthma attack, bro? You snooze, you lose. Wise man once said. What the? It's accepted in Chengdu. Though. It's accepted in Chengdu. Hey. You gotta pour the elder first.
I got you.
What did you learn in China?
Nothing.
Ah, good boy.
Matter of fact.
First time using an actual tech. Whoa, too much. They said this tea is like $50.
Really?
Yeah.
They said, oh, it's that Chinese. I smell it.
Each sip, it reminds me of like 1,000 Chinese characters.
Damn. Name one.
Yo, it's boiling. Damn. Wow. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Touch it. Whoa. Do you smell it? It smells like gasoline here. Yeah. No way.
You can describe to them.
It's a panda, and then
The
it's
name?
got the face mask.
Does it like
It's actually
the
really
face
cute.
changing?
Yes.
Okay. Then
This is monkey skin?
yeah, this is a panda opera monkey. Okay.
That's
the
crazy.
New skin. Okay. So he will have the honor to show it to everyone. Okay.
How much?
How much? Show it to them. Okay. Be curious.
Here. You didn't answer my question. How much is it? She didn't answer me. How much? Must be expensive. Yeah. Oh, do that pose. God damn. Arlie? Gongsun Lee? Can I wear one? Hurry up before I get caught. Yeah. That's where they do the makeup.
Or the tear pouring one.
This is not even makeup, it's a paint. They're painting their face. What the fuck? New hero, new hero. This is Guan Yu? Where's the horse? You look Aquaman. What is this? Is this for a woman?
有没有皇上的衣服？好像没有皇上的衣服。
皇上的吗？我看一下。
Diadea.
这是莫拉西吗？
How dare you blocking a king? Kneel. I'm dead.
Oh, that hurt.
Actually, you're lying. Okay, HOK. See you tomorrow.
You need your passport to enter the park.
We need passport? First time?
Panda.
First time?
Yeah.
Oh, never seen panda in my life. I don't even know how big they are. Panda!
Yay!
They just roll around, eat some bamboo. What's your name? Win? Okay, nice to meet you. W. Holy sh! This is heaven for MTS. All these bamboos that he can eat. 5-star toilet.
5-star toilet.
I can't wait to take a 5-star there. I can already smell the 5-star. You smell it? It's 5-star. How bad? That's men.
It doesn't matter. You can't stream in a bathroom.
Okay.
All right, I have to go and find out.
I cannot go in apparently. I wanna go in, bruh. Let me just take a peek, okay?
No.
Really? Is it a joke?
We got cab.
Why is it 5-star?
Why is the 5-star toilet?
Because they use all the very advanced toilet, especially the Western style one. You got a heated seat. You
Oh.
can get massage.
Massage while taking it.
Wait, hold on.
You sure that's Western? I've never seen that in
yeah,
the
you try
States.
the Western.
So
Western toilets are bad.
Yeah.
It's only for the toilet that's 5-star, right?
Park is also 5-star.
I love it.
Just give me the panda already, bro. Give me the panda.
5-star.
But imagine sharing that with a lot of people who are.
Why? What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that?
Yeah. First time in Asia?
I don't.
We share a lot of stuff here.
I don't.
Dave doesn't get it. It's okay. He's not Chinese. He coming.
The data of last year, she can make around 200 million per month.
Wait, RMB?
RMB. 200 million.
$30 million per month.
Yeah.
Imagine the pandas outperforming you in making money. Them.
Panda riders.
Panda riders.
Is panda poop?
How does the panda's poop smells like? Right? Nothing actually, just this fresh bamboo. Because
Actually?
yes, because like I mentioned, they can eat around 30 kilograms per day, but only 20% can be digested. Another 80% just go through.
So it's bamboo.
So the poo of the panda doesn't smell, but just the smell of the fresh bamboo.
Oh, we can try it. You eat bamboo for the rest of your life, or like for a month.
Why? I want to terrorize the restaurant.
It's like $10 only.
You don't like pink? What the? Yeah, get it. I might get something funny. $5, $3.
Give it back.